Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I hope you're all having a fantastic start to 2025. Welcome back to English with Bruce. I'm Bruce. Today we're diving into lesson 5 where you'll learn a phrase which will make your English sound even more fluent. Like always, it's a phrase you'll hear often in conversations. So let's dive right in. Let's start with today's phrase, on a whim. Now, imagine deciding without overthinking it, something spontaneous and impulsive. In English, we call that doing something on a whim. For example, last weekend, I decided to drive to the beach on a whim. This means I made the decision suddenly, with no plans. Have you ever done something fun, crazy, or unexpected on a whim? I bet you have. Here's another example. Let's say you're shopping and suddenly decide to buy a colorful scarf just because you like it. You might say, I bought the scarf on a whim, and now it's one of my favorites. Or imagine you're at a cafe and order a dessert you never tried before. You could say, I ordered that pie on a whim, and it turned out to be amazing. See how this phrase can bring fun and spontaneity to your stories? Now let's talk about how to use on a whim in professional settings. For example, imagine you're working on a team project and one of your colleagues has a last-minute idea. You could say, she came up with a new strategy on a whim, but it ended up being a great success. Or your manager may have decided to schedule an extra meeting with no warning. You might say, the meeting was scheduled on a whim, and we all had to scramble to prepare. This phrase works perfectly in both casual and professional contexts. Let's practice together. Say this with me. I did it on a whim. Well done. This phrase is great for describing spontaneous decisions in any situation. Using expressions like on a whim makes your English sound more natural and fun. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it effortlessly. Thank you so much for joining me today on English with Bruce. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you with another valuable English expression next time. Happy New Year! If you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode.